Welcome to Selling Tallahassee. I'm LaTasha McDowell, your host. Did you know that not only is Tallahassee the capital of Florida, but we boast the most beautiful parks and recreations in the world? Here in Tallahassee, we have two major universities. That's Florida State University and Florida Agricultural and Mechanical University. Let's dive in and enjoy the beauty of Tallahassee. So David, I know you've been here in Tallahassee for over 30 years. Why did you pick Tallahassee?
Well, I first came here for law school at Florida State University, and my wife and I liked it and decided it'd be a good place to raise our children.
And how do you feel about the school system here in Tallahassee?
We love it. We were very pleased with it. Both of our children went through the Leon County school system. They both graduated and are doing well.
And how do you feel about the housing market here in Tallahassee?
Overall, the housing market is very good, I think, and especially you get more bang for your buck in Tallahassee. You can get a bigger house, you can have a better house than you would in some other areas of the state.
Do you feel that you'll be leaving anytime soon?
Oh, definitely not.
So you're here to stay?
Definitely.
There you go. He's here to stay in Tallahassee, and we love Tallahassee. Welcome to Southwood. This is one of my favorite communities here in Tallahassee, Florida. Southwood was a planned community, and it offers a lot of different amenities, such as a pool for the community, tennis courts, there's a pickleball court, amongst many other things. Every year around Christmas time, there's a gathering on Merchants Row where the entire community comes together and they sing and they put on a Christmas play. Southwood also boasts one of the top 35 golf courses here in America. The course was featured in Golf Magazine as one of the best 18 holes that is offered in the United States. Thank you for joining us as we explore beautiful Tallahassee, its history, its beguiling nature, and wonderful people. Continue to join us here as we explore why we love Tallahassee.